Hello, hi everyone, welcome back in my another video. So today we will creating the application. Okay, so we already created the attendance application of new version. Okay, so this is our attendance application where we mark the attendance. Okay, now we are creating the dashboard for this application, so admin and manager able to view the employee attendance on in the desktop or laptop. Okay, so how we create this application? So the desktop look like this. Okay, so this is our desktop. Here is showing the total present, late and absent and other things as well. Okay, in KPIs. Okay, here is showing the navigation. So let me create the app first design. Okay, then we will put the all codes. Okay, so you need to go on new app, on create option. Here you need to select the create from blank and you can select the tablet size. Okay, so this is our blank screen. You can give the name like home screen or dashboard also. Okay, so I'm give as a dashboard, or you can here we don't need an create to login screen. Basically we will create the login dynamically because if any user login in this as a, if any user has manager or admin role, he able to login directly on desktop. Okay, so let me show you the our list. So this is our application. Let me slide in the right side. Okay, first I need to give the background color, so I don't want the white color, so I give the custom color. Okay, so this is my background color, and let me copy the background color code also. Now what I need to do, I need to create a header and the navigation bar and the KPIs like this. Okay, so how you can create? Okay, so let me create the in the easy way. So first you need to insert and search here the container, and you can choose the container size as per your recording. Okay, so this is my container, and let me put here the container. Okay, and this is container. Okay, now I need to copy the same and paste it again. Okay, so basically first we need a drop shadow in the container, so that's the reason we selected here the light. Okay, so in the both container we need the same. Just you need to copy this one and paste it again in this. Okay, now you need to select this one, container 1 2, and you need to resize it. Okay, now you can upload your company logo here. Okay, so for the company logo, just you need to insert the image option and resize it as per your according. Okay, so this is our company logo. Okay, now here you need to insert the text label, basically for the app.active screen. So let me insert. Okay, I think this size is fine, and here you can choose the font size like 25. Okay, I want big size. Okay, and here you can choose the bold, and from the left side I want the 20 space. Okay, so now you're able to view here is 20 space, and here you can type app.active screen name. So what happened, this is showing the your screen active screen name. Okay, so here is showing the dashboard. Okay, now in this you can insert the image icon again, and this is our image icon. Now you can set the profile picture of the login user. How you can set it? Okay, so first let me reduce the size of this image 80. Okay, and now check the gap also. What is the gap size? Is 20, and here I need to write the 10. Okay, I need to give space 10 below and 10 in the. Okay, now what you need to do, you need to select the border radius like your height and width according. So our height is 80 and width also 80, so I need to put here 80 also. Okay, so it's now in the round shape, and here you can choose the one border. Now what you need to do, here you need to use the user photo. Okay, so basically just you need to select user.image. So now login user image showing here. Okay, and here I need to select the logo. So I need to go to on image property, and here I need to upload. Now the image is uploaded. Now you can check, here is showing our company logo. You can choose as a field. Okay, now it's showing in zoom. I think as a fit. I think fit is fine. Now what you need to do here, you need to add buttons. Okay, so for the buttons, let me check the other thing as well. So here is showing the dashboard and profile icon, and here I need to add the buttons. Okay, so this is our attendance application. So basically we need the buttons like an manage attendance and the other things. Okay, so this is our employee master. If I have employee role, so I'm not able to log in this dashboard. Okay, if I have manager role, so I'm able to log in this dashboard. Okay, so this is according to your role. Okay, if you have assigned the manager role, you are able to log in this, otherwise you're not able to log in. Okay, now I need to add the buttons in the navigation. So first you need to go insert, and here you need to select the property and insert, and here you need to search the button. Okay, so basically here is showing the classic I want button like with the icons. Okay, so you need to click on the three dot and setting icon. On the setting item you need to go on updates, and here you need to open the modern controls and theme. Okay, once you enable, then you able to find out the button in modern. Okay, so here your modern buttons. Okay, just insert this one. You can set size according to you. So let me choose by the mouse arrow. I think this is fine. Okay, now you can type here like dashboard. Okay, for the icon you can select this one. Okay, so here is no dashboard icon, so you can select this one. And for the font size you can choose the 20. Okay, and you can the font weight you can increase like semi bold or bold. I think semi bold already. You can set the bold. Okay, now here you can choose the border radius as well. So here is border radius, like I want the 20 border radius. Once you created this button, and now here you need to select first on select property. Okay, so on select property, what you need to select, like I want to navigate on dashboard. Okay, so navigate, we are creating simple buttons. Okay, so not dynamic buttons. So this is easy for you if you create starting from basic. So let me add here the dashboard screen, and here I need to add the screen transaction fade. Okay, and copy this one, and here on display mode what you need to add, if app dot active screen is equal to, and what is the dashboard. Okay, screen name dashboard. if हमारे ऐप की एक्टिव स्क्रीन डैशबोर्ड होती है तो दिस बटन इज display mode. Disable, otherwise display mode enable. Okay, now it's look good. And now what you need to do, you need to copy the same button and you can paste it for 3-4 times I think. Let me delete the 2 buttons And in key now you need to remove the display property. Okay, so here I want to keep only display mode edit. Okay, and this is our employee view, employees, and here you can choose the employees icon like this people. Okay, and you can copy the same both button and paste here. Here you need to remove also the display mode of this, and here you need to keep the display mode edit. Okay, here you can write the attendance. So in the attendance you can choose the clock icon, and in this you can give directly the mobile button access. Okay, so you can add here first navigate. Okay, and here you can add the mobile application, and you can choose the icon. So for the mobile I'm choose this one, copy icon. Okay, now the all buttons is added. Now what you need to do, you need to add here KPI cards. Okay, look like this, this one. Okay, so basically you can let me add the KPI cards. Okay, so insert and search here the containers. Okay, first you need to search here horizontal containers. Okay, so in the horizontal containers, this is easy, you know, if you search directly horizontal containers, so you can easily maintain the old data. Okay, now what you need to do here, you need to remove the drop shadow. So I don't want any drop shadow. Now you can select this one. In this you need to insert the 4 containers. Okay, so basically let me insert the containers. Okay, this is first container, and I need to copy this container. Okay, and insert in this one again, and again I need to insert in this, again I need to insert in this. So basically here is 4 containers, so I need to insert the all 4 containers, and now I need to set the all containers, and first I need to give the border radius. Okay, so first let me select the here the semi bold. Okay, and the color of this the white. Okay, and the border radius as a 20. I think 20 is too much, and now everything fine. And now you need to select your this one horizontal container. Now here in the gap section you need to insert the 20 or above. You can insert the 20, I think fine. 30, I think 30 is fine. And now in the left and the right section you need to insert the same gap. Okay, so here is 30, you need to insert in the left side 30 also, and the right side also 30. Now you are able to view the whole container in good way, and you can just scroll down or you can set the other things. Okay, or one more thing, you can ready only one container, then you can copy paste the all containers. Okay, so like you can ready only one container, then you can copy paste. Okay, so in this container what you need to do, now you need to insert first a container. Okay, so this is my container, and the container size What is the container size? Here is 231, so I want only 70, and height also 70. Okay, now you can set according to where you want to keep the icon of the this. Okay, and here you can search the employees. For here you can search the people icon, and you can insert this one. And now you can choose the container, and here you can give the background color. Okay, so basically I want to give this background color, and here the opacity like 28. Okay, I think 28 is fine. And you can select the icon, and in the icon you can choose the size, like I want 50 size, and width also 50. And now you can keep in the center. Okay, so here is X, Y, and B also Y. Okay, so we set in the right bottom. Okay, so now you need to give the 10 here and 10 here also. Okay, now it's in center, and I need to give the color as per my background color. Okay, so this is my background color, and I'm giving this one. Okay, now here I need to insert the text label also. This what is the explanation of this, so you need to add here. First I need to select the container, and I need to give the border radius like 20, similar like this container. Okay, and here this is employee attendance, so I need to type here the employees. Sorry, this is employees only. Okay, and here you can choose the size. I want the 20 size, and the bold, I think 25 is fine. Okay, and you need to copy this one and paste here. And here you can type the any number. Okay, so once we created the old design, okay, then we will put the logics. Okay, so this is our design, and now you need to select the both one, and here on the left section you can insert the 10. Okay, now it's showing in the right side, and you can set the size according to this. Okay, and you can increase the size, like I want 30 size, or you can increase more. Okay, so here is this is done, and let me fix. Okay, so this part is done. Now what you need to do, here you can align in center, you can align in left also. I think center is good, so I'm choose the center. Okay, now you can remove the other container as well. So this is fast way to work. Okay, so I'm remove this one, and this is the container. Okay, I need to copy this one, and I need to paste it on 4 times. Now my all containers is ready. Now I need to do the other thing, like I need to create the graph chart and the 2-day attendance, and here is visit also. You can add the visit option also in this application if you want to add. Okay, so first we create only attendance. Okay, now here you need to insert the same, and let me give the border shadow, drop shadow like semi bold. Okay, and this one also semi bold. Oh, semi light हो गया. This semi bold. Okay, Now here I need to insert the container again. Okay, this is a normal container, you need to insert. Okay, and just drag and drop, and you can set according to this. Okay, and okay, you can give the border radius like 20 according to above, and you can choose also semi bold, and the color is white. Okay, and let me increase the border radius as 30. You can copy this one and in the paste in the left side also, right side. Okay, and you can choose okay, I think this one is fine. Now here I need to insert the chart. Okay, so basically you can search the normal column chart, or you can insert it. Okay, so this is sample chart, and then we will create the logic for this screen once we done the all things. Okay, so I'm insert for now only and here I need to insert the gallery. Okay, so first thing I need to insert the label, so I'm copy this one and paste here. So this is 2D attendance, and let me add the other things as well here. Present, this is present, and this is absent, and here is late. Okay, you can add the icon as well. Okay, so for the present you can choose the right check page, and for the absent you can choose the this one cancel, and for the late you can choose the clock icon. Now you can give the color as per your recording, so this is green color. Okay, so you can give this green, and for this container you can choose the same green and give the opacity 28 according to 28 or 26. Okay, and here you can choose the color for the absent red, and for the container you can choose the dark red, and opacity is 28. Same for this, you can choose the same like the dark yellow color, and yellow I think not good. Let me check the container, and here you need to select this one, and here you can select the 28. I think yellow is not good, so I think fine. Okay, you can give the color also text label as well, so just you need to select the color, and this is present, so you can give the dark green. Okay, this is absent, so you can choose the dark red, and here you can choose this one color. Okay, the dark yellow. Okay, now it's look good, and here you can give, let me put here any number. So this is our first dashboard design. Now I need to add here gallery. Okay, so you can add widget summary by employee for today. You can add this type line. Okay, so just let me copy and paste here. This is simple line, and I'm changing the color as a gray. Okay, so you can copy and paste the same line. Okay, similar, so you can create the same line, and here you need to insert the gallery. Just you need to go here and search the gallery, vertical gallery. Now in the vertical gallery you need to resize it, and here you need to remove the all content in this. Okay, this is our gallery, and here I need to remove the all content. Now you can set the template size, so I want the template size this one. Okay, now in this you can insert the container. Container size will be full. Okay, so it's I think already. Now you can select the gallery again, and here you can choose the template size again. Okay, now it's look good, and so let me here I need to put the 7.5, and so 23 half, I think 11.5. okay, 11.5, and here I need to be 7.5, and here you can choose the border radius 20, and drop shadow as per recording same light, and I think I need to give the 30. Okay, now you can add the data in this, or let me add the data like employee name, so here you can add the status. Okay, present, absent, or showing the status of the employee. Okay, so this is our gallery, or you can connect with your list. So we are created the both list. Okay, so let me introduce the list also. Let me open the other list as well. This is our attendance list. I think it's taking time to open. Now here you can create one more thing. Okay, what you need to do here, just go to your dashboard and copy the color of your dashboard. Now select the gallery, and in the gallery you can select the color. Okay, so you can choose the your dash as per your dashboard color. Now here you can choose this one. Okay, this one container, and you can give the white color. Now it's look good. Okay, now you need to connect your list. Okay, so this is our attendance list. Let me duplicate it. And here I need to open my employee master data list also. So let me explain the column. Okay, so this is the person column. Okay, so where we can search the name, and we can put the mail ID. Okay, this is our text column, and I think this is also single line of text, this is also single line of text, and this is our choice column. Okay, so basically when you go on this, or you able to view the all role. Okay, so employee, manager, and admin. Make sure here not selected the allow multiple. Okay, and same in this. Okay, so make sure here not selected the multiple. Okay, person. Okay, so This is our person. And for the shift type, you can choose the same, not selected the multiple option, and here you can choose the regular, evening and night. And here also you can check, this is employee name, this is text column, and this is date and time column. You can check here, this is date and time column, included time, and here is nothing selected. And same is checkout column, and this is number column. Okay, working minutes is number column. I think it's a single line column, so you can create the single line column as well. And this is choice column, where is value is present, late and absent. Okay, okay, this is a location verified. This is I think we create this is not useful for now, because we didn't create in this application any location option. Okay, so we will create a video for the location. And this is regular or evening, regular. This is shift column, shift type column, and choice column, and this is regular, evening and night. Okay, now let me connect my list, all list created in training site. So add data, and here I need to select the connectors and SharePoint list. I need to choose my SharePoint site. So my site is training. So my site is training. And here you can choose your site. I'm connected by both list. Okay, so I think it's loading. So it is both list is connected. Now you need to link your list. Okay, so let me link my new attendance list. Okay, but there is no entry for today. Okay, so I think we didn't put any filter, so that's the reason showing the all entry. So here you need to give this item dot employee name. Okay, you can put as per recording what do you want. Okay, and here you need to give this item dot status dot value, because it's choice color. Now you can change the color as per recording. Okay, so just you need to go on the color option, and here you need to add the if okay, if formula, and here you can add now how you can change. So I think if based on the two values, so let me put here this switch. Okay, so this is switch, we are adding here switch formula, and you can type this item dot status. Now we can add the comma, and now you need to add here the formula and what is the switch value. So first, if switch value is present. Okay, so our the color is dark green, color dot green, dark green. And if a value is late, then color is dark yellow, color dot yellow. light yellow. I'm choose the yellow. Okay, and if value is our absent. Okay, so color is absent, color dot red, and bracket. Otherwise हमारा otherwise our color is color dot black, bracket closed. Oh, I think this is choice column, so that's the reason showing the error. Here you need to add the value. Okay, now it's look good, and here you can check. I think the late color is yellow, not looking good. I'm added here the total and the yellow green. I think yellow green also. Now fine. Okay, now here you can choose also the button color as well. Okay, so I think this is not good if we give this color in text label. So let me add here the button. This is classic button. Okay, so you can add the classic button, and here this is classic button, and height you can add like 25. Okay, 25 is too less. I'm added here 30, and the text property, this item dot status, this item dot status dot value, and the default color is white, and I want here border radius fine. I want here the fill color. Okay, so just I need to go on fill property, and here I need to put the same formula. Okay, now it's look good, and let me remove the other one, the text label which can be insert. Now it's look good. Okay, now if you are absent, then showing the here different color. Okay, so you can remove the hover color as well. Okay, and so it's look good, and here you can choose the now here you can count the employees. How you can count the employees? Just you need to put here the count row, and here you need to write the employee master and bracket close, and now you're able to view the all employee in this. Now you able to view, here is showing the error. Okay, this is triangle error, this is delegation icon. Okay, so that's it, and here is showing the error. Now what you need to do, you need to create the collection. Okay, so how you can create the collection? You can create the collection on dashboard, you can create the collection on app or start property. And I think good if you create the collection on app on start property. So let me go and go to on start, and here first I need to clear my collection whenever we open the application. So call employee. Okay, and let me copy this one and bracket close, and I need to here I need to write the clear collect and the collection name and employee master and bracket close. Same thing you need to do for the attendance. Okay, so just you need to paste the same, and I want here attendance. Okay, so here you need to give the attendance, and here you need to write the your list name also. Okay, so my list name is new attendance. Now click on the three dot and run on start property. Now your collection is ready. Okay, now you can use here my collection name is call attendance. Okay, call employees. Now you're able to view, here is no error. Okay, Now how you count the present, how you count the absent, and how you count the late. Okay, so simple. For the present, what you need to do, basically I want to show here only today data. So how you can count the present? Basically we need to filter our attendance data with today present, and the which one employee status also present. We need to filter the status and the date also. Okay, so how we can add here employees? Now for the present employee, I need to put here the formula. Okay, so first I need to use here the filter option. Okay, so where I want to filter, I want to filter my the attendance gallery. Okay, so just you need to type here the filter, and in the filter section, first I want to count. Basically I want to count. Okay, I don't want the filter. First I want to count, so I need to use the count row, then I need to use the filter formula. Okay, now I need to write my list name. So my list name is call attendance. So basically I am filtering my attendance. Okay, so now here you need to, I want to filter the present employees. So you need to search your status column, status dot value, and what is the value? If value is present, and here you need to add, after this I want to filter with today date. Okay, so who is present the today? So date value, you need to use the date value formula, and date value formula is created. Okay, so now we need to filter with the today date. Okay, so you can filter and with the today date, and just bracket close again of the filter, then you need to close the count row. Also here is no present today. Okay, for the late you need to use the same formula, and just you need to use here the late. For the absent you need to use the same formula. Okay, and now you need to remove this thing. Okay, so first you need to remove this thing, and here you need to less in this. Okay, so here is absent, and just you need to paste this one, and here minus the this employee. So here is showing the today percentage 20. Okay, let me support if I'm mark my attendance manually. So this is my new attendance application. Let me mark my attendance manually first. Okay, or I can mark attendance by this application as well. So here is my attendance is marked. Okay, so let me check out it again. So now my attendance is check out and marked also. Here is 1 p.m. Okay, now let me refresh my list. So basically let me check my list as well. So now here is showing the attendance for the today. Okay, now I need to go on PowerApps, and what I need to do, I need to refresh my list. Okay, so this is in edit mode, so that's the reason I need to refresh. Let me refresh my list, and here I need to, basically we created the collection on run on start property, so that's the reason I need to refresh. Now you able to view here is present 1 and the absent showing the 19. Okay, now now we need to fix this one. Okay, so all things is done, and here I want to, if you want to show here the today attendance, you need to add the same date value formula. Just you need to copy this one, go to on this, and here you need to filter. Okay, and you can use collection as well, or you can use this one as well. Okay, so if you able to view the delegation icon, you can use here the collection formula, the call attendance. Now it's look okay. So now here is showing only today attendance. Okay, for the chart item, what you need to do and what you need to use here. So let me first you need to select your chart, and here number of series you want 3. Okay, I want 3 series, which one showing the absent, present and late. Okay, okay, first thing is this one. Then I what which one color you want. Okay, so here you need to go on color. So here is total all color. Okay, so you can set like color in this brackets. Okay, so first I want the color dot green, then I want the color dot yellow, okay, then I want color dot red, dark red, and the bracket close. Sorry, now your all series color is able to view, and I think yellow is not good. I'm set here yellow only, and I can choose here the title of this chart. Weekly attendance summary. Okay, so here is showing weekly attendance summary, and be able to view the all things. Okay, and let me select the leave and age file. Now how you can connect your list with this. Okay, so for this you need to go on column chart, and here you need to select the item property, and now you need to add your value. So basically we are creating a collection on screen visible. Okay, for this chart. Okay, so what you need to do, on visible, go to on visible, and here you need to add here the clear collect. Okay, so you can add the call weekly summary, or you can add something like this. Okay, so here you need to search the add columns. Basically we create the columns first. Okay, then you can filter, and you can filter your attendance list. Okay, or you can filter your collection. Okay, so I'm already created the collection, so I'm put here the collection name. Then I want to filter with the created, so created within 7 days. Okay, so let me this one, and is equal to today minus 7 days, or you can put any days. Okay, I think I need to remove this space. Now it's good, and I want the created small is equal to today plus 1. Okay, and bracket close and comma. Now I need to create the column. Okay, so I need to create the day name. Okay, first, so let me add here the day name. Okay, and the day name is the from the created column. Okay, so created column, and I need to filter in this the day name. Okay, so for the day name I need to use the double inverted column and bracket close. Now in this I need to use day formula. You can search online as well, or you can add from here. Okay, so I need to add here a dollar sign, and I need to add here the language US, and after that I need to add here the day, the triple D. Okay, now I need to bracket close and comma, and here I need to use the day name, which one we column created, I think day name, right, and then comma and the records and bracket close comma. Now I need to use here the present and absent and the other thing. So reach present comma and count row formula. So basically first I need to filter with present filter, and what I need to filter, records. Okay, so basically the all records save in this. Okay, and the status value, our status value is present as per your choice column. Okay, so bracket close and bracket close again, and here I need to write the late. For the late I need to copy the same one from the count row to present and paste here, and I need to choose here the late. For the absent, what I need to do is just add comma and absent bracket comma, then count row, and what I need to less here, I need to less here the call employees. Okay, call employee na, and bracket close minus count row. Here I need to records and bracket close and bracket close. Now let me check where is the error. So I think basically error is here. I am not added here the comma. Okay, and after this in the day name, so let me use the double inverted comma. Now it's all, and format text, and now the call weekly. I need to copy this one and go to my chart, and here I need to paste on the item property. Okay, once you done, then you need to revisit your screen. Okay, and I need to create new screen. So if my revisit, here is showing the absent one and present one. Here is now showing the late. Okay, the last week attendance showing like this. If I mark any attendance today, so I'm already marked the attendance of the day, so that's the reason it's not enable. So let me create manually. So if I'm create attendance like this again, I'm created one more attendance of the day, and here I'm choose the late, and I'm also created the another employees attendance like again. Okay, so I just grade view and refresh it. Now you're able to view. Let me refresh it. Run on start and go to dashboard, and now you're able to view. Here is showing the 2 late and 3 absent, and the total is 15. Okay, now you can check here also the total 2 late and 3 is present, and other employees is absent. Okay, so you can set your text level according. Okay, you can change the color as well. Here is showing your weekly attendance. So I am marked only the, if I'm choose here the last 10 days attendance, then you able to view the last 10 days attendance. How? So let me check my old data. I think it's showing the second, so let me choose here 20 days data. Okay, so today minus 20. So now you're able to view the old data in this system. Revisit this screen, and now you're able to view Monday, Tuesday and Sunday last 20 days data. Now you're able to view. Okay, this is Monday and this is Tuesday and this is Sunday, but I want here 7 days data, so that's the reason I'm choose here 7 days. Now our dashboard screen is done. Now what we need to do, we need to create the employee screen and the attendance screen. Okay, and the employee edit screen. So basically for employee edit screen you can create the header. Okay, first. Okay, so just you can insert the header. This is simple screen, and this is I think 1 minute screen, and you can choose the logo, and here you need to I think you need to go to new screen, and here you need to select the table and forum. You can type here the employees edit. Okay, once you add this, then you can revisit this screen, and here you can choose the logo in the header section. Just you need to select the logo section, and here you can choose the your list name, like what is your list name. My list name is employee master, so I'm choose the employee master, and I need to copy my list name as well, and I need to paste it here. I need to select here. So first time remove the old one, and here I need to select the employee master. Now in this, so basically my old column is placed. Now in this I want only few columns, like first is showing the email. Okay, and then showing the role after title, and the designation also as well. So I'm remove the title column. Now you're able to view here is showing the name, then designation, then role. Okay, now I need to uh, put the delete button formula. So if you set the delete, now here is showing the error. So what you need to do, just you need to remove the table section, and you need to put your list name here, and here also, and here also. Once you save it, then save. Now you can add the search filter as per this. Okay, so just you need to type here the filter. Here you can type the starts with, and you can type the column name. Okay, so I want the employee master data. I think employee name column. So let me check the employee name column. Here is full name column as employee name, so you need to type here the full name, and full name starts with this text input. Okay, so we will search with this text input. So this is a search column. Okay, and I need to use here key press. If you use here the key press, so when you type this one work with your typing. Okay, dot value and bracket close, and again bracket close. Okay, now it's work with the search items. Okay, I think it's loading. If you search here like employee name Pankaj, you able to view all details here. Here is Munesh Sharma, and let me search here Munesh Sharma. So here is showing the Munesh Sharma. Okay, so it's showing the mail ID name as a Pankaj Jangat, so that's the reason. Okay, so you can choose the email as in last. Okay, if you search here the Munesh, you able to find out the Munesh data. Okay, if you select any employee, then you able to view the all data here. So this is employee data. If you select the edit, you able to edit, or if you select the delete, most time of the what happened here is email. This is person column. Now you able to view is showing the inject like 1010. So you need to go to edit fields, and here you need to select the display mode, display name or email. Okay, and add this. Now you able to view the proper employee name. Okay, mail ID section. This is employee edit screen. Now we need to create the attendance view screen. So we create a screen like this. Okay, you can copy this gallery. This is simple way. You can copy this one gallery and paste in this. Okay, you paste in this screen. So you able to create in the first way. So I'm already created the gallery. Let me select from here. So this is the gallery. Okay, which I'm created, and here you able to view the, here is container where is name, date, and clock in, clock out, and the total timing. Okay, date and status present, and location status also is verified or not. Okay, so let me create the first the header of this, or then we will create this thing. For the filter section, you can move the footer section, and you can change the footer section name if you want. Okay, and you can set the height. I want height of 50. Now you can add here the filters. Okay, so you can just search the text input. Okay, you can add the text input and the other filter as well. So let me copy this one without wasting the time. So I'm copy the all one and paste here. So all filter is copy, and now let me set the flexible width. Okay, now it's look good. And here you can give the another button. Okay, so I'm giving here the download button, you can choose another. Okay, so let me add here. You can check the export option video, my old video I already uploaded, so I'm not creating here the export option. Okay, so you can check my old videos. Here is attendance view. Okay, just you need to import this thing, or you can set the size. So here is date option, you can set you can remove the flexible width for the both, and now it's set according to this. Okay, and let me remove the flexible width of this one as well, this one as well, and this one as well, this one as well. Okay, now looks good. And here you can insert the gallery, just insert, and here you need to search the gallery, vertical gallery. Once you insert your gallery, then first thing you need to do, just select your gallery and delete the all items. Okay, so I'm deleted the all items. Now this is your gallery section, this is your the template space. Now you need to insert the container in this, and you need to resize your container as per your recording. So I'm resize it. Okay, so I'm giving the height like 90 to 90. Okay, first I'm giving the border radius like 40, so it's visible in the round shape, and here I'm giving the semi bold, and the color is white. Okay, the background color of the main container I'm giving the as per my dashboard background color, so I'm choosing the dashboard, and here I need to select from the custom this one, and in the attendance section I need to choose the main container, and the main container background color similar like my dashboard. Okay, and now I need to resize it. Okay, so basically let me go on this section. The X property is 82, this is in totally left and on the bottom side, so I need to give here the 7 half of this, and here I need to give the 41, so mid in this. Okay, so now it's visible, and here now you can add the details like an employee image, so you can add the image here. Image size you can set as per recording, like I want to add here the 80 and 80 here, so total is here y section is 5, so you can add here 10 bit divided by 2, and here you can add the border radius 80, and you can set the border color 1, or in this now you can connect your gallery with attendance. Okay, list, so I'm connected with my call attendance, and here now you are able to view the gallery. So I want to show here the created by mean जिसने भी attendance create करी है, this item dot created by this item dot created by dot image. So जिसने भी create किया है so उसकी image show हो जाए pictures. Okay, so now you able to view the created by image, and here you can add the other things as well. So I'm already added these things, so let me put the all things here, copy, and this one copy, and I'm copy the all things and just paste. You can add the text label or you can add the all things, okay, as per your recording. So I'm added the all things. Okay, now the one question, if you want to add here the header, so how you can add the header? So for the header, what we need to do, I need to go to on my main screen, main container, and here I need to insert the container in this. So the container size, you need to cut your gallery first. Okay, just cut and paste in this container. Now you can resize it. Give the height 95. Okay, now it's look good. And now what you need to do, you need to just drag and scroll right to your gallery. Just you need to insert the text label in this above section, and let me copy from here. Okay, so this is text label, you can insert directly. Okay, copy and the paste in the above section. Now you can set each as per your recording. So I'm added the other column as well, like location and widgets also. If you click on this, now you able to view the widgets and you able to hide. So you can add the other things. So we are creating only attendance application in this video, so we add as per attendance application the all things. Okay, so and now how it's work with filter. Okay, so basically these are our filter, and now let me guide you for the same. So once you created this one, you can add the filters. Okay, so filters we already added, or you can add more. Like I want to add the filter option. First I want to add the sort. Okay, so let me put here the sort, then up I want to add the filter option. What do you want to filter? Okay, so just you need to write the filter name. So first I want to filter with date picker. Okay, so start date. Okay, so this is our start date. So start date picker, this one. So let me put here each blank formula first, the bracket open and each blank. And what is your blank? The date picker. Okay, then selected date, bracket close, and then we need to insert here the, we will filter with the check-in. Okay, you can also filter with the check-in, and you can also filter with the created, both are same column. Okay, so let me filter with the created, or you can filter also with check-in. Okay, so check-in basically showing the current date or date of entry. Okay, and we need to again insert the our filter, the date picker name, and then selected date and bracket close, and use the double N for another filter. Now you need to copy this one and copy this one, and after that you need to paste the same, and here you need to change the picker name, date picker name. So this is 1_1, and now here you need to write the 1_1 and 1_1, and here I want the below date from this. Okay, so what I need to choose here, I need to choose here the below date. Okay, so for below arrow, the down arrow. Now this, the date picker formula is done. Now I need to filter with status also, the absent and present and note and other thing. Okay, so I need to copy this name, and I need to first copy the same formula. Okay, you can copy the same formula, just you can copy and paste here, and here you need to select the date picker name. Okay, so I'm copy my date picker name, drop down name, and here you need to paste, and here you need to write the selected dot value, selected dot value, selected dot value, and here you need to write the status dot value is equal to this one value. Okay, so let me copy this one and paste here. Now this formula is done, and now I need to add the search formula. Okay, basically what do you want to search in the attendance? So you need to copy the text input name and add here, and here first you need to add the each blank. Okay, so basically each blank if है ना कोई भी हमारी वैल्यू है ना वहाँ पे डली हुई नहीं हो तो वो सभी वैल्यू शो करे वहाँ पे, and dot value bracket close, and same again starts with, in which one column we want to filter. So let me open new attendance application, edit, I want to filter the employee name. Okay, so you need to write the employee name, in this text input dot value and bracket close, and now again the bracket close, and again your bracket close. Okay, now here you need to add the other filter as well, like I want to sort. Okay, so before closing this you need to sort filter, like I want to sort with ID. Okay, latest created showing on the top, and the sort order is descending, and bracket close. Now the latest created entry showing on the top 15 March, you can check, and here is showing the 3rd March, 2nd March. Okay, if you filter only 15 March, so you need to select I want to show the data after 14 to 16. Okay, now you are able to view, here is showing this data. If you selected here I want to show from the 3rd March, now you are able to view the 3rd March data also here. Okay, if you want to reset, just reset it. Okay, if you want to search here like Munesh data, I think Munesh data, yes, it's working after key press. Okay, so for this I need to remove the focus out, and I need to search at the key press. Okay, and how reset formula is work, just you need to go and on select property you need to write the reset filter. Okay, so reset our date picker, reset our date picker 1, reset our text input, reset our drop down. How we filter with the drop down, just I want to select the late, or yeah, you are able to view the late data, present data, and the absent data as well. Okay, so this is our attendance gallery. Similar you can create the employees gallery. Okay, just you need to duplicate the screen, once you created the duplicate screen, then you can give the name as a employee, Now the things you need to update. Okay, so this is our gallery, and let me open the my employee list. Okay, so this is our employee, and let me, okay, I'm already give the name employee. Okay, so this is your employee master data. I want to show the full name, the email, the department, the designation, the other thing as well. So here is, I want to show the full name. Okay, so first I need to connect my gallery with the call employee. Okay, my list name. Okay, call employee. Okay, now you can whenever your employee join, you added here. Okay, so it's the created, okay, data showing as per you can add also hire date column if you want. Okay, so let me add here hire date column, so you can use also the date filter also there, hire date, and you can use the created time including time and save it, or you can skip also the include time. Okay, let me add here the hire date, like I want to add the 14, and then copy this one to in below columns. Okay, and I want to add here the 15. Okay, you can skip it also. Okay, if you don't want the date filter, you can just skip it. Let me refresh my list. Now I can use here the hire date. Okay, so here is hire date, and here also hire date. Okay, now here you can use the role. Okay, so you can use the role dot value and drop down dot selected, and it starts with full name. Okay, so I can filter the with full name also. Okay, now you are able to view the data, and now in this you can use here the employee master, and I want to add here the role. Okay, now you can check, here is showing the role now, and this is a section you can add the full name of employee. Okay, and here you can use the hire date, hire date. Here you can use like designation, so this item dot department. Okay, I think department is fine, so you can copy and paste here as well. Okay, and in the checkout section you can use this item dot designation. You can replace the checkout text as a designation. Okay, and here you can use the role. Now here you can use the role column. Okay, and here you can change the color as per your coding, like I want to put on the percent, I want sorry, employee color is showing like this. Okay, and manager color, and admin otherwise showing this one color. Okay, so it is showing the admin, manager and employee color as per this. Okay, now here I want to show the employee photo, so you need to choose this item dot, and this is column. Okay, so email dot pictures. So now you are able to view the, here is showing the all employees photos, which one photo is uploaded, so it's showing according to. So our all columns is done and all filter is already added. Now the attendance and employee list already created. Now let me add here the things. Okay, so on select we will navigate on employee screen, so you can add the formula on select on we will navigate on employee screen. So I'm added here employee screen, and similar to for the attendance, on select we will navigate on attendance. Okay, and for the mobile app, what you need to do, just you need to go and on select you can set here the launch property. Okay, the launch, and here you can add the mobile app URL. Okay, so like this is your mobile app, and you can just go to PowerApps. You can add your mobile URL app link directly. Just go to apps, and in the app section you can just copy, and in the details section you are able to view the link. Go to detail, and here you are able to view the link, and you can paste here. If you click on this, now you directly log in this mobile application. Okay, and now the all things is done. Now I need to add the employee edit button here, so you can add here like on select navigate employee edit screen, and screen transition is fade and bracket close, and now you can copy this button and edit employee, and here you can use the edit icon. You can add also new employee using this button. Just here go to click on the new records, you can add more employee. Okay, and here I need to add the back button, so you can copy this one and paste this one. Now you can use it as a back, and here you can select the back arrow, and on select property you can use the back and bracket close and off. Okay, now if you click on this you are able to back. So our attendance dashboard is done. So I will explain in next video how to connect how to get the location. Okay, so location name how you can get in free. Okay, so I will explain and how we can use in the Power Apps. Okay, so I will explain properly all things. So thank you so much in this video. If you need any help, please let me know, and you can ping me on the WhatsApp and mail, and you can also write the comment in the video. Thank you so much.